Hello, my name is Leah Miller and I'm a graduate student in Human Factors.
Hi, I'm Riley Flanagan. I'm an undergraduate student in mechanical engineering.
Hello, I'm Michael Fornito, and I'm an undergraduate student in computer science.
And we are Team ALEXEI from Embry-Riddle.
Team ALEXEI has chosen the Magic Leap 1 heads-up display to design our system for. The system is divided up into 3 screens: the main screen, the task screen, and the vital screen. This allows for the information to divide and conquer rather than being obtrusive or have information overload on the user. Now do bear in mind that the photo does not depict depth properly. In actuality, the main screen appears closer to the user while the task screen and vital screens appear further away. This allows the user to quickly focus at which screen they prefer to look at. Now here's a video that depicts the system in actual use. Now if I pan over to my left, you can see that the main screen follows me to the left, but the torso still remains stationary, therefore the task screen remains stationary. And if I pan over to the right, the same applies to the vital screen. Now do keep in mind that there is actual depth involved, so focusing can adjust. And as I walk and rotate myself, the task screen also rotates and walks with me. And the photos and videos are taken using voice command assistance that is built within the Lumen system and can be overlaid on top of the ALEXEI system without intrusive or hindering any information.
The task screen is the second informational window of the ALEXEI interface and is always oriented to the left of the user's natural head position. The left-hand portion of the screen is taken up by the mission checklist, which is grouped by unique task. Using the red indicator box, a user can select a given task, in which case detailed step-by-step instructions will appear in the bottom right-hand corner, as well as applicable diagrams and images, which are stacked on top. This is a dynamic version of the task screen. The red selection box will flash to alert the user that the current task has been selected. To select different tasks, the astronaut can use the trigger and bumper keys on the chest-mounted controller to scroll through the mission checklist. Once selected, the astronaut can move through the different task pages by pressing and holding the bumper, then using the trigger to scroll through the different instructions. The page counter at the bottom of the instructions box provides feedback that allows the user to maintain the order of operations. The most unique aspect, though, of this portion of the interface is actually the backend method that we use to import the task screen content. Future mission planners need only edit a standard Excel file, like in the format viewed here, and the ALEXEI system parses the information into the format that's visible to the astronauts via the task screen. This feature was implemented so as to minimize the amount of training necessary to support the ALEXEI interface from both the astronaut and mission planner's perspective.
ALEXEI's vital screen displays live vitals telemetry and umbilical interface assembly data for quick reference. At the top of the vital screen, remaining quantities for oxygen, battery, and water are displayed as depleting timers. The lowest time is shown in red here and on the main screen as it limits the EVA length. The vital screen denotes several numerical values from a stream, as well as bars that deplete and fade to red. All telemetry values carry expected ranges. If the value is outside the expected range, it displays in red and a warning is sent to the home screen. Switchable Boolean values broadcast from the umbilical interface assembly are shown on the right side of the vitals menu. To demonstrate effectiveness of the vital screen, a fan error is triggered from the back end. The fan RPMs drop, and the astronaut's heart rate subsequently rises. When these values fall out of nominal ranges, a warning message for each will trigger on the main screen. By rectifying this error, the warning messages will disappear from the main screen, and text will return to normal.
Overall, the simplistic design and universal operational features address all the requirements of an optimal human-machine teammate. By maximizing situational awareness, minimizing workload, and requiring minimalist training, ALEXEI is the perfect companion for an Artemis astronaut.